Okay, I bought this spark plug tester, and what I will do, as I buy all motorcycles, most of them comes with dairy spark plugs, and I want to check if these conditions make a difference on how they work um, versus almost new clean spark plug. So, what we are going to do, this test consists in putting these two spark plugs here. I will put them just here, and then close the lid, turn off. So turn off the lights and then turn on the knob. Now we turn it off, and we saw that the clean ones has very good spark. It's important to I will look if I can find the caps for this one, because inside there is this node or positive for the spark plugs, and this doesn't there. You have to make sure that they are in touching. You can see how dirty this is. Okay, we will do the same. So what we can see is that even if the spark plugs are dirty, they work pretty good. So you see this one versus this one, and they still work pretty good. Alright, so now we know that even if they look greasy, dirty, they start doing their job.